Open a TG planimetric camera view in the upper right matrix quad. Select the DEM in the database editor and edit database object. You can also open the DEM editor by double-clicking the terrain in a view. The elevations page lists the elevation of all vertices in the DEM. Activate the TG camera and zoom in with 3 taps of the plus key. Once, twice, 3. Click on the cliff to the left of the camera target. The DEM editor takes you to the nearest terrain grid vertex. Change the vertex value to 75 and also the 8 surrounding vertices. 75, 75, 75, 75, 75, 75, 75, and 75. Go to the File page and save DEM to File. Confirm that you understand the ramifications of your choice. There is no undo once you overwrite the DEM. But we don't really care about that. We're going to overwrite it anyway. Okay? And once you do that, the real-time TG camera view refreshes with our change. Return the camera to the default position. Save the project. Suppose you want to make changes to the terrain, but something more free-form than a terra vector or area terra vector. That's where the DEM Painter comes in. Select DEM Painter in the database editor to open the DEM Painter window. Like the database editor, you can undock the window and expand it. The DEM Painter shows a grayscale plan view of the groovy DEM. The top row of 3 icons controls which palette is visible: Tools, Elevations, and Options. In the default Tools mode, the top group of 12 icons represents available tools. The lower group of 11 icons are the available brushes. Let's add some ridges to the mesa top. Select Paint in the Tools palette. Select Airbrush, Show Options, and reduce the opacity to 50%. This is the strength of the paint effect, with 100% being full and 0% being none. Show Elevations and increase the foreground elevation to 100 meters. This is the maximum additive value of the paint effect. Enable Preview to watch painting in real-time views. Click and drag to raise the terrain. If you make a mistake, you can use Undo Changes on the title bar. If you drag across a canyon, some of the underlying topography is preserved with a lower opacity. Full opacity would have raised everything under the brush to 100 meters. You can also paint directly on a real-time view. The DEM Painter window may hide behind one of the other windows. To bring it forward, go up to the Window menu and select it. When you're done, save the DEM. VNS gives you the option of overwriting the existing DEM or creating a new one. Choose Overwrite. Real-time views will reflect the painted changes. If you're curious to see what the new terrain looks like, save the project, activate the TG Camera preview, and F9 to render.